I don't know. Welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this unit, of course. Now before I start talking about it, in this little box right here, you're going to see me doing the bobcat method. It was a fail. It was a complete utter fail. Like, it's just, I can do it on my clients, but doing it on myself, it was just not fun. I think that I really didn't enjoy it, only because my hairline comes down so far that it just felt weird, a cat being on my head so far down. So I was just like, no, but I will still play the video right here so you guys can see. So then that was recorded like 3 days ago. I did just take it off, like completely take it off, and then just put it on again, like without doing all the extra stuff that I'm doing down right here. So yeah, so this is what we came up with. This is what it looks like. I did like a little bit of hair right here just to swoop it over, just to give it like a little bit of personality so it looks cute or whatever. This is, as I said before, from Nadula hair. This is the 20 inch, but it's way longer than 20 inches. Like, I think this is like a 22 inch, but it's supposed to be a 20 inch 13 by 6 Peruvian straight lace front wig with pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs. The baby hairs were so thick, like I just kind of pushed them in. If you see right here, these are the baby hairs that it came with, and it's just entirely too thick for baby hairs. So I just was like, let me just put my little spray in there and tame it down, just so it just so it's not like so anyways, it says that it's supposed to be transparent lace. Only thing I would say that when it comes to transparent lace on darker skin, it's not transparent. They do have brown transparent lace, by the way. The vendor that I'm working with for my wig line, they have the brown transparent lace, okay? If you want my vendor, it's for sale for $300. Just want to throw that out there. But anyways, yeah, so it definitely isn't transparent. It couldn't, I don't know, maybe I did not bleach the knots on this. I did not bleach the knots. I just added foundation. I usually don't just add foundation. I either bleach the knots or tint the lace. And I don't know why I didn't do that, but it's definitely I don't know, it's just like you can see where it's at. Maybe if I cut some more of this lace off, you wouldn't be able to, but it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. I mean, it's still cute regardless, and I still look cute in it. Pros, cons about this. I would say the pros of this is that it is that nice, silky, straight, texture. Pros is no shedding. No shedding. Haven't gotten any shedding. The only shedding that I got is when I cut the lace and when I cut the ear tabs. That was the only shedding that I had got on here. Tangling, not too much tangling at all. I wore it all day yesterday, and I literally could just go like this. No problem. Perfectly no problem. So that was definitely cool. I would say some of the cons about this, I don't know if this is a pro or a con, but for me it's kind of a con because it's big head friendly, but it's big head friendly. You can definitely downsize on the wig cap because it's just so thick. It's so big. So you can downsize on the wig cap. Of course, I will go smaller next time. In order for it to fit snug, I did the crisscross method with this one. So you can definitely do that. I would recommend downsizing because the wig cap is so big. It's kind of big in the back. But that's not that's not the worst thing in the world. There's worse things going on with wigs right now. In this frontal area, it has pieces where it's really small, like this. If you look right here, you'll see this little small piece. It has a lot of that going on, but I did just tame it with, I used my hot comb, and I also used my Lotta Body foam mousse for it, and then I also did use this right here to lay down what you saw in the clip of me installing the actual unit the first time around. And I do put the clip of me installing it the second time around in here as well, just so you can see that it was just better the second time around, really. Price, this was $156. So $156 for this. I'm this could have been more because this is definitely worth the $156. $50 range. Like, this was definitely worth it. And I'm like, man, I was expecting it to be so much more. I really just love this like hair a lot. Like, it's really cute. I'm feeling myself. I feel good. I look good. And so yeah, you definitely have to get your hands on this baddie right here. And if you don't, you're just missing out, sis. You're missing out. Like, this unit is bomb AF. Like, you gotta get this wig. If you don't get this wig, I'm gonna come over to your house and beat your ass, because bitch, you need this fucking wig, period. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't come to your house and beat you up. We're in quarantine. We're not supposed to leave the house, so we're gonna stay in quarantine, if that makes sense. But anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this wig right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the install portion or whatever that was. But you know, it is what it is. It's all about learning. And like I said, when I do the wig cap method, the bald cap method on my clients, piece of cake. But it's just not meant for me. It's just not meant for me to do it on myself, because I was over it. And you can see, like, in a clip, my face, I was just over it. I'm like, this shit is just not fucking adding up. Like, it's not working for me. If you want to know all the deets that I stated, you just look in the description box. It'll be down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.